There is an abundance of patients within healthcare interested in clinical trials. Unfortunately, we lack the infrastructure to connect them to those clinical trials. Our job is to connect to real patients with real doctors within real healthcare.
So the Learning Health Network was designed and developed in partnership with our health systems to address the issue of how long it takes to actually get a new drug or a new therapy to the bedside.
The partnership between Elligo and the Learning Health Network connects clinical research to the patients and physicians within healthcare. And it's the EHR data that is the thread that enables that connection.
The reason why that's so important is because it helps reduce that time frame, because we can so quickly use that EHR data to determine where there's an abundance of patients in healthcare already, and then focus in on those areas to leverage those patients and enroll them in studies so they can participate in innovative opportunities that may never have had a chance to get access to before.
That's how we accelerate not just a product to market, but accelerate the numbers of lives of people that we're going to impact.
The opportunity to engage with Elligo and start to have the time to now have clinical research in our community is a game changer. That allows us to have the opportunity for the members of our community, for the patients that are in need, for our physicians that have a clinical interest to now be participating in up-to-date and innovative clinical research.
I remember a patient called us, and also their family member called us, and they told us they felt like this was their only chance. And that's kind of very powerful to hear, but it's also why we do this, that they know that we have done everything we could for them, and they're confident in that, and they know they're getting the latest and the greatest. And to be able to offer that to our patients, that's what gets us in here every day.
By honoring the patient-physician relationship within healthcare, patients have a better experience while participating in a clinical trial. We have better access to diverse patients for participation in clinical trials, which enables the opportunity before you today.
The more you give, you have our commitment that your data and all the information provided will help support millions of people to come.
You and your EHR data is the key to unlocking our ability to bring innovative therapies, better care to every person around our country and eventually around the globe, no matter where you live. Together, we can do this.